how to remove, delete a password or passkey on TikTok. In today's video, I'll show you how to remove or delete a password or passkeys from your TikTok account using the latest update. Whether you want to reset your password, clear saved passkeys, or secure your account, this guide has you covered, so let's get started. First things first, open the TikTok app and log into your TikTok account. Go to your profile in the bottom right corner, tap on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner, and select Settings and Privacy. Now, simply tap on Manage Account, or you can also go to Account. Now, what you need to do is simply tap on Passkey. Here, if you have already set up a passkey, you can simply find an option that says Remove Passkey. Just do that. I haven't set it up yet, so there is no passkey here. Now, if you want to change a password, all you need to do is simply tap on Password. You'll need to simply enter your current phone number, which is logged into this account. Do that, and you'll be able to simply remove or change your password. And that's it. That's how you can simply remove, delete a password or passkey on TikTok.